start with the obvious. Outdoor furniture is different from indoor furniture. Outdoor furniture has to tolerate some exposure, to the outdoors. Just like the finish, the joints are important. Here's an example. When I made this side table, I really wanted it to be a work of art. The corners were perfectly mitered, held together with biscuits to make them strong, and after 1 week outside, this is what happened. We've all heard the analogy about wood grain being like a bunch of straws. Those straws swell when they get wet, but they don't get longer. You must understand how wood expands and contracts when designing your joints. Learn to take advantage of this tendency. Trying to fight it or overcome it will fail every time. Now look at a simple butt joint. This table has been outside for 2 years. Either piece at the joint can get wider and fatter without causing the joint to open. Whenever you can, use simple butt joints. You'll never be satisfied with a miter joint.
Thanks for watching. I hope you'll join us again on the next episode of the Oxford Woodworker.